So I've come to the vintage rally with Mishredi. I'll just show you some of the cars over here. This is a beautiful car. Just look at that. ये क्या लगा रहे हो आप गाड़ी में? पहले वो खोल ले मुझे। ये क्या ये आप इंजन में लगा रहे हो? इंजन में लगती है। This is a UP car, so it's a very nice car. Just look at that. Look at the old horn. Very stylish. A nice small car. Though the seating needs a bit of a repair, but it's still a very nice car. Many of them are UP cars, if you notice. Another one is coming in. We'll come to that later. This is the car that we'll be navigating, and proud to say it's a Rolls Royce. First time I'll be sitting inside a Rolls Royce. Mishredi and I. Just look at that. There's a Rolls Royce statue. Not the statue, but you know. Okay, coming to the next. I think I'll just come in here. Right. This I think is a West Bengal, but WBB. I'm not sure though. It's also another very, very fine looking car, and it's been maintained really well. Another car is entering in, a Chevrolet. Showing you from the front. It's a nice car. I want to show you the Rolls Royce again. Yeah? Yeah, let's do that. So see, that's the Rolls Royce from the front. What?
Don't get run over.
Oh no, that's a normal car. To think even a good car looks like a normal car right now.
That's not a vintage.
CN, no, I mean, not that.
It's a new thing.
Yeah, it's a new thing, it's not. I mean to say, even that must be expensive car, but it still looks like a normal car today. So now we're going towards the classic cars, not the vintage. So Mishredi, the classic is what? Post 1939?
I don't know. So these are the ones that have covers on it.
So like vintage is before 1939,
Yeah.
and that's what Dada was telling. So that is before they had a new model of engine, combustible or something. So these are the classic. This one is, I'm not sure which one this is. This is a Fiat or? This is oops, sorry. It's a Ford Capri, I think. I'm not sure what they're written, but
Like we're in the movie, they look
what is this? A MB? I don't know what that is. Which one is it?
Famous brand, MG.
What does it stand for?
MG.
Video recording going on.
It's like the Aston Martin of previous times. I mean, it's the greatest racing car, MG.
Okay.
Yeah. One of my uncles used to keep one also.
Okay.
There's a guy who comes to the club often. There's another MG there.
All right.
This is an earlier one
Okay.
than that. It's a different one, but there's one there also. You would see people who come to the club in MGs.
Okay.
The
Wow.
racing one. It's really a racing car. The greatest
Yeah.
racing car before
okay.
the Ferrari. Absolutely.
Yeah. Do you know this is a Capri? How do you pronounce it? What is the CAPR?
Capri.
Okay.
This must be Ford Capri.
Hmm.
Ford Capri.
Yeah, it's Ford. Yeah.
Yeah. This is not a vintage car. It's what you call a classic car.
What
This is a vintage car.
Vintage is pre 1939, right?
Vintage is, I think, pre-1930 or 20 or something.
And classic is
50.
post.
Post, yeah.
All right.
It's post. There are many of these are classic cars.
Okay.
Like the Chevrolets and everything.
Yes.
This is a classic one. But this is a vintage one.
So till what year does a classic, comes under the tag?
I don't know. There are divisions. I don't know. In England, people just
Okay.
tell me around 1930 or so.
All right.
I mean, I don't know in this country how they classify it.
Okay.
I think the different
Yeah.
automobile associations have
Yeah.
different yardsticks.
Okay.
in the movie Grease Lightning,
Huh.
is there a car like that? Red one.
No? I can go and
That
check.
Chevrolet is a great car because a lot of
Okay.
the great heroes like Raj Kapoor and all used to go in the Chevrolet.
Okay.
So if you
Yeah.
take that out, I also have classic cars, but I haven't brought them.
Okay, which one have you brought?
No, I haven't.
Okay, no
brought them. I have
problem.
no
Okay.
time.
Yeah.
But we all keep. A lot of people have cars here, but we don't bring them all out.
How much do you think they invest now in a car? How much does it cost?
You see, this is a passion.
Yeah.
It's a passion. You can read
Yeah.
about it. I
True.
mean, you Google it and you'll get lots of these things.
Mhm.
But there's one Rolls here. You should go and take that Rolls.
We'll be navigating the roads also over there.
There's a
Okay.
Rolls there.
Oh, great. Let's see.
It's a very good Rolls.
Sign in on the vintage ones. So we're getting to see them.
The greatest. This is the great car. This is Mercedes. This is about 19. This is
Oh, this
the
one?
car which is
180.
which is a great classic in its time. I mean, it's a great car.
Okay. Nice.
Mercedes.
Oh, wow.
You can see what it looked like, but it was a great car. The Benz.
It seems like the ambassador has taken the bit of a shape of the model from the back. A bit.
It's the same. You see aerodynamic.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Of course, the quality is something else entirely.
It's fabulous.
Yeah.
Quality is only the Rolls and this.
Wow.
And
Yeah.
that's all. And the MG, of course. The MG was a sports car.
Okay. Yes.
Like you had a BMW
Yeah.
that was that.
Yeah.
You used to carry a
Yeah. Okay, I think I'll have to take this from the front. Too much shrubbery over here. What? Yeah. Another MG.
I learned this one. It's apparently the Morris.
This
And
is what?
apparently,
Morris.
it's made in England.
Okay.
So dinky.
Hmm.
I said, don't now.
Let's cover it. Nice.
Must be really bad for Delhi roads. That's so
Yeah, such a small thing here. I think the Beetle is bigger than this, no?
I have no idea. But it's so cool.
Yeah.
Tiny. It's so very thin. Sorry, not the Morris, it's a Morgan.
Morgan. Okay.
Stand next to that, take your photo.
Okay, great.